Sounds like Krista coming up the driveway right now. It was 0% chance of rain all day today. Hasn't rained. We get off work at 3:30, and it's 3:44 right now. And it started absolutely downpouring a minute ago. Hey, bring it in. %0 chance of rain today.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Did you have anything?
Just my phone.
Oh my gosh.
It wouldn't have been so bad if I didn't get stuck on the Buffalo Bridge behind a million cars.
Oh no. While it was raining?
Yeah, it didn't start raining until I got to the Buffalo Bridge. And then I got there up on the top peak. It started downpouring.
What bad luck. Were you able to keep the rubber stud down pretty easy?
Yes.
Didn't feel sketchy?
No.
Good. Gross.
There's so much water in my shoes. Whew, just a little wet.